Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the Sushant method. Today we are going to discuss the WordPress series part 4, getting started with the WordPress beginner's guide part 4. In previous 3 episodes we discussed multiple things about starting from hosting, which package we should buy, how to design the basic structure of the website, and in last episode we discussed how to develop the home page, product page, and category page. I showed you the dashboard and how they get pulled, from where the content is getting pulled, etc., etc. So in today's episode, we'll discuss more about um, the cart page, checkout page, and I will also show you the header part and the footer part. And from next week, I will start creating videos which are more in detail. I will pick one topic each week and accordingly we'll go further. Okay. So let's start, guys. And before we start, I always forget to say that before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, um, the Sushant method, please subscribe now. And after the video, please don't hesitate to like and share with your peers. Okay. And let's start then. Okay. So as you know, you have seen my website, thehandsoimports.com.au, and this is my WordPress dashboard. So I open my website from here. Okay. So as we said, let's discuss how the cart page and checkout page works. Okay, and then I'll show you in the dashboard. So this is my home page. I go to one of the categories from the menu, table art. Let's add this product. This is Halloween Dragon, or just a table art. Its name is Halloween Dragon, but you can use it for just as is. Let's go to the cart page. Okay, so this is a product page. You have seen this before. Let's add it to the cart. Okay, you need to either you can view the cart from here or you can view the cart from here. So let's see. Let's go here. Yeah, see this. This is the cart page where you see the price, where you see the shipping. So the best address, like where it can be sent. Okay, and the total price. So in the cart page, you have seen on might have seen on many e-commerce website that the owners, they offer some coupon codes like a discount code, or anything like a percentage discount, or flat discount of certain dollars or any currency which the countries you are living in. So we will discuss that coupon thing in the in the future episode. We'll make one case study and we'll show you how this thing work in WordPress. Okay, so for now, this is the cart page. Now where it gets pulled. So go to the dashboard, pages, all pages. Okay, in all pages section, you have this cart page here. From here, the code gets pulled. So guys, let me tell you, the cart page is not something which you develop. Cart and checkout pages. When you select the WooCommerce for WordPress, WooCommerce page creates that code in the backend. I'll show you the code files later, and this page gets created automatically with the short code like WooCommerce underscore cart. Okay, what you can do on this cart page is you can add some text, you can add some hyperlink, you can set the featured image. Okay, so I show you some example with the media library, add some image. Okay, and save it. Let's see how it looks. I'm showing just an example. Okay, in case if you want to add some imagery or some text on your cart page. So see how it works. Okay, remove the image and save it back. Let's see. See, it got removed. Okay, so this is the cart page. Now let's go to the checkout. Here, this is the checkout page. And this billing details, the checkout form is also created automatically by the WooCommerce. You don't have to create this. Okay, you can fill in your details, first name, last name. If you want to give any notes, you can put your address details here, phone number, email address, etc. Then you see this. Okay, here you see the total, what is the price of the product, shipping, if the company is charging some surcharge for the card payments. So here I am charging some percentage, which is like hardly less than 1%, and the total price. Then you see the payment options. You can do this by credit card, debit card, bank transfer. You can do that PayPal or any other payment gateways you know the company offers. Right now I'm just offering a couple of options, but in future I will add more. You say I have read and agree and place the order. That's it. That's the procedure. And then you get the email from the website. Okay. So how this checkout page works, I'll show you quickly. It's similar to cart page. So I'll just show you the code. Okay, the content of that. Okay, see, similar to cart page. Just the WooCommerce underscore checkout is the code. The short code gets implemented here by WooCommerce, and that the source code of that is in the backend, which I will show you in the later episodes how it works. So similar to that, you can add set image, featured image in the backend. You can add some text, you can add some hyperlinks, etc. So guys, what I wanted to show you is, in order to have any page on your website, either, I mean, any page as in like static pages like this, they need to be created under these pages. Okay. Category pages and product pages, home pages, I showed you they're differently. When home page also you create it here. Okay. I've shown you last time. I'm just showing you where it is. And then this page you pull it from the other section, which I showed you in my previous video. I'm going to add the description, in that description, the links of my previous three parts, and you can go through 1, 2, 3 and then come to 4. Then you will understand the whole series. Okay, so I showed you cart page, checkout page. Now let's see the header and footer. Okay, so the header here, from this number, email address, menu I discussed in previous part. You can check part 3 for that, how these things come, logo, etc. Okay, let's see. So for that, you need to go to WooCommerce settings. Uh, sorry, this is not here. It's in appearance, customize. Sorry. So I developed this website some long time ago. So it has takes time sometimes to realize. Okay, so this is the section from where your the header section gets pulled. Okay, show you. Easy notification bar. This is the one. This is a part of plugin which I will discuss in the next sections. Next later episodes. So you can put some settings here. How it should look, what is the text, background colors, etc. Then here you put under site identity logo, site title. This is the SEO part. It doesn't appear directly In case if you want to show, you can, but otherwise, it is a SEO thing. Site title, tagline, okay, logo only. If you can select to see logo only, tag title plus tagline, no, or you want logo plus tagline, you have this multiple option. Prefer just the logo. Okay. Then if you want to put any background image, I don't have the plain background. You can select the theme colors, theme options. This is the menu, top header menu. Okay. It's the header section. Um, yeah, so site identity, theme options, top header options. Here in top header options, you have the show top header. You put the phone number, you put the email address here. Login register is from here. Login, logout, show cart. This cart thing is here, coming from here. Basket one. Yeah. So this is the header section. Search option. If you want this search bar to be enabled, you enable it here. No sidebar, left sidebar. Sidebar means, sometimes the website is left aligned or right aligned. So if you want to keep it straight, I have no sidebar. If you say no left sidebar, see how it changes, like this, which I don't like, but it's up your choice. If you want to show some things on the left hand side or right hand side, for my website design, it doesn't work. So, but I'm showing you the option how it works. You know what breadcrumb is? Breadcrumb means this, hansoimports.com.au slash wp hyphen admin. This is called breadcrumb. So that URL structure. Okay. Shop page options. Yeah, not so important. Yes, the footer option. Let's see what do you have in footer option. In footer option, this copyright legal text is getting pulled from here. Okay, but I show you how these 4 footers come. So this is under the widget section. Okay, so footer 1 is comprising this ABN part. See this uh, WhatsApp, chat with us. This is a plugin which I'll discuss later, but it comes here because it's on the page level. So just you can ignore that, but you can see there is this ABN and the number in the backend. Okay. Then, okay, sorry, I show you again. ABN number, and you also see this text. It's coming from here. Footer 2, social icons. Okay. Footer 3, these categories, and you can have play around with these settings. And in the widget section, if you go further, you have the option to change those hyperlinks. Okay, I show you that. And this is the 4th part. Okay, so as I was saying, you have option to select the link or change the link site like this. Okay, so guys, we discussed this time the cart page, checkout page, and we also discussed the footer and header part. Okay, so stop sharing now. I hope you enjoyed this part of WordPress series. Um, from next week, we'll discuss more in details. Let's say every week I will come up with some news, new case study, how to do particular thing. I'll show you the things which I haven't shown you in this series yet. And I hope you have seen my Chanakya series as well. Part of the Sushant method is not just the digital WordPress, but it is also the history and geopolitics. So I have started my Chanakya series from last week, and I will come up with the part 2 of the Chanakya series by this weekend. Okay. So Keep watching the space, the Sushant method. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.